Dear Diary, I have been diagnosed with senioritis, so in this vlog, I am on a mission to restore my mental health. Certified on the track. Oh my gosh, it's out. Hey guys, I feel like this is a bad angle. I already brushed my teeth. I'm just in here to make sure my hair looks decent. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to look decent for the sake of the video. And surprise, surprise, it doesn't. Yeah. I'm staying home today. Why? Mental health day. That's not his name, and you know that's not his name. Okay, are y'all still married? Can you say his name properly? Cause you just be faking. Like I know you. Okay, tell me what it is. Nothing. I'm just behind on schoolwork. You gonna let him do that? We talked about it, mommy. It's not that deep. You do it all the time. Give me my scarf. I need my scarf. That's why my edge is sticking up. I'm gonna kick your butt. You do it all the time. I do what all the time. You act different in front of your friends, and I don't say a thing. I don't know why you're laughing. I'm dead serious. Whatever. You do act different. Mommy, can you give me a smoothie? I'm sorry, y'all. My hair look a little bit of a mess right now, but I feel like for the sake of the video, it's gonna have to do. But I have a very long and productive day ahead of me. I decided to take today off for the sake of a mental health break, and my friends decided to take it off with me because last night I was looking at all the work I had to do, and I was like, dang, I need a bobby pin light.
Essentially what I was trying to say is, I just looked at all the work that I had to do and I was like, I really want to catch up on it and I need time to relax. I feel so overwhelmed, so I decided to take a mental health.
I do these mental health vlogs and I never post them because I never really get much done, but I'm determined to get done today. Let me put on some clothes really quick. Why is it so dark in my room? So we're gonna go ahead and get ready. So I'll just be back once I get dressed because it's dark in my room and I can't find anything. I'm seriously trying to find my phone. I'm at my Vancity. Let me put on some like lip gloss to make myself feel a little better. And then I'll show y'all the fit. This is the fit. It's nothing crazy. I didn't want to just throw anything together. I wanted it to be somewhat together because I don't know, wanted to make myself feel a little more put together. Bralette, sports bra, whatever you want to call it, from Eric. These jeans are from Boohoo and this shirt is from Boohoo. I actually really love Boohoo. Like Boohoo sponsor me because I actively wear your clothing.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody some next go.
I just finished writing my to-do list. So basically how I write my to-do list is I put everything I have to do and then I separate them into the days that I want to do them. Obviously Tuesday is the most booked. That's the day I don't have school, and I actually need to get those things done. I'm about to eat some breakfast and join my first class of the day. Yes, I did take off, but I did not take off any of my college courses because this is my last week for college courses, so that's really fun. So let me grab some cereal and we can get to it. Let's go ahead and get started. I think the first thing I want to do is wash my comforter duvet.
Let me, before we get back to the rest of the film, I want to verify one thing as far as, you remember?
Hey guys, my hair kind of looks crazy because of the backlighting on camera. So I just finished my presentation and right now I'm just trying to watch all of my daily videos on College Board. Let's check and see if my blankie is done. I think it's done. So my blanket is done, so let's like take her out. I just hang it on the banister, y'all, because it's a comforter, so it has to be hung a certain way. And then we're gonna just separate like my pink clothes because I just have a lot of clothes that need to be washed. Like, it's ridiculous. Like my closet it's a mess. But I'm really cold, and when I'm really cold, oh, don't drag your freshly washed blanket on the floor. A little ghetto, but it worked. Look at my closet, y'all, because I have dirty clothes and I didn't know where to put them. Watch this. I can't even go in my closet. So I have to wash some of these. All my pink clothes, I'm just separating.
Star. Up to the top of the car. Don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't live without it. Can't live without it. How can you stick for the wall? Chase out deposit. Chase out deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when Kilo had the spot in Treasure Street. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her neck to me. I did a walk through that shit to jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms run for ticket. Watch so much that a car came with it.
I basically cleared out my closet, what it just looked like. I just picked up all the clothes off the floor, and that right there, that's a shoe bucket, because I used to have one in my old closet. It was a little bigger, but now I don't have one, and I keep my shoes up there. I keep them here. I keep them downstairs, but I decided to have that shoe bucket just for my extra pairs of shoes. But I separated all my clothes. So this is blue, greens, and blacks. I'm probably gonna have to split this up. I'm probably gonna have to blur a lot of this out because I know there's underwear somewhere. Over here is all my pinks, all my tans, all my whites.
Exactly. For that more times than you would probably care to, at our 100th episode of Beyond the Screenplay. So,
I mean, obviously, I'm not gonna have this awkward camera angle for nothing. It's just the way my car, like my dashboard is set up. I've tried to put the tripod on my dashboard and it just doesn't work. So it's actually on my windshield, and that's how it's recording me right now. It's just a little awkward, but like, I mean, it makes do. I just got off a Thanksgiving break, and even though I usually do like to take days off for, you know, break to like catch up on any work I missed, I didn't. I waited till Sunday to do everything, and I ended up not even finishing everything. And I've just been experiencing massive burnout, which kind of makes sense for somebody at this point. I've kept a record of keeping like straight A's, and when I was a junior, I made the decision that instead of just taking normal classes like I could and only taking about like 2 APs, which is what I am required to do because of my program, which would have been AP Chem and AP Calc, I decided that I was going to take 2 extra APs because I really wanted my GPA to go up. And my GPA has gone up, but I don't know if it was really worth it because A, college are not going to see the higher percentage that I could have possibly been. But I did it also because I knew that if I could, I should, and I would want to. And I mean, like when I look at my GPA now, I'm like thankful for it, but then at the same time, I'm just like, is it really worth it? Like, it doesn't bring me the same satisfaction that it used to when I would get a really high grade. So now I'm just kind of like, I have half day, which you would think makes things easier, and I guess it does. But now I'm just wondering how I managed to go to school for 6 hours a day, then do sports. And people just talk about it's like an adjustment period, because it's the same with college. Like college, you'll have like 4 classes a week. Go to them like, I don't know, maybe twice a week or maybe once a week, and then you have Fridays off and then Saturday. Like you just have like your schedule is very, very fluid, very open. You do adjust to it, and the workload does catch up to you because you adjust to it. So yeah, I'm getting tired and not really wanting to do stuff. I'm about to make myself some food because I feel like the lack of energy is also what's making me so tired. I'll make some coffee. I haven't been drinking coffee recently because I mean, I drink it when you have easily access to it, because you guys do know, or if you don't know, I work at Starbucks now, but like I haven't really been drinking it.
Retro shows of our mother-daughter relation.
Hey guys, so it is another day, a new day. Last time we spoke it was Wednesday and I never got to finish all my tasks that I needed to do, so I'm finishing them today. But I did get a lot done and I just pushed the rest to the end of the week for me to finish. I actually look kind of cute today. I got off of work a couple of hours ago, so I've just been at home chilling, but I want to finish everything that I said I was going to do. So I'm about to go through, clean my room, and organize my drawers. I basically cleaned my sheets and everything, so I'm just about to clean my room again. I feel like you guys see me clean my room so often, so maybe I won't show you guys like me fully cleaning my room. How is my battery about to die? I basically complained this whole entire video about my hair, so at the end of the week it was finally my hair appointment, so I went to get my hair done and I just got some faux locks, something to hold me over into the new year. And because senior inauguration happened, and that was like where we basically got told that we have all our requirements to graduate and pass on to the first year. I mean, not the first year, but like graduate high school. And I was super happy about that. And I felt really pretty that day. And I also got to speak during senior inauguration. And that was extremely nerve-wracking. But I was really grateful that I was able to be a part of it. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
Why is my computer being slow today?
Over there.
On the deck.
Is that your hand? Are you shaking
Why
like
is it?
that?
Oh, I love this picture. It's like, why is it doing this? Oh my gosh, it's out.
Are you ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Calm
Then
down.
don't eat it.
It's out, mommy. It's out. But calm down.
I'm not ready. This just got
Don't
really
eat it.
real.
Come on, take
Come
it.
on, this is it. This is
Look
it.
it. Look
I want to
it.
get in so bad.
You're gonna get in.
You're
You're gonna get in. You're
and
in.
you just need to see the confirmation.
Aren't you supposed to record this or something?